me, and it was totally spontaneous, so I don't know how this video is gonna go, but it seems like it's gonna be pretty live, so let's see. Everybody's still pulling up. Made it out.
How you feeling? Good?
I'm alright. They growing. I told you, they growing. In America, the vet is winning. Oh, that's the Trailblazer SS. Oh, the SS? Kane in love with the SS. The whole... so loud and hot in here, y'all probably can't even hear me, so I'm gonna just stop trying to talk, just start recording stuff for y'all. LS power. Dang, this thing nice. Might have to give me one for the channel. Alright, so the police are like right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but I guess they're running people out. I think the police are running people out because people don't know how to act. As you can see, people don't know how to act, so we get ran out of here. Yeah, let me just get on out of this garage. Alright, so as you can see, they done cleared out the garage because of the police told us we had to leave because everybody wants to be disrespectful and rev and do burnouts and shoot flames and all that stuff. Well, not really shoot flames, but one car did shoot flames on camera. Kane, how was it?
Hot. Yeah, a lot of cars.
Very hot. Yeah, it was a decent amount of cars, like probably a total of probably 2 floors, like 2 floors total, yeah. Which isn't huge, but you know it's a good amount. But this just about wraps up the video. Sorry the video was short. Like I said, this was very spontaneous. I did not know what I was coming here to record. But if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the section below. Let me know if there are any events going on in Louisiana, Mississippi, Texas, anywhere y'all would like me to see, and I'll try my best to be there. But yeah, like I said, this just about wraps up the video. But always remember to do more, be more, believe more, and achieve more. And I thank y'all for watching.